In 1997, scientists recorded a sound so powerful, it echoed across the Pacific Ocean. They called it the Bloop. The sound was detected by underwater microphones, more than 5,000 kilometers apart. Whatever created it was massive. At first, scientists had no explanation. Some believed it came from shifting Antarctic ice. Others believed something else was hiding beneath the ocean. Because the sound didn't behave like normal underwater noise. It slowly rose in frequency, almost like something alive. Years later, researchers claimed the sound was most likely caused by a massive ice quake. But even today, many people still believe the true source of the bloop was never found. Follow for more mysteries.